In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your garage door opener. We'll be looking at the LiftMaster 890MAX that you see right here. You won't need any special tools to get this done. You'll just need a regular flathead screwdriver and a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. If you don't have one of these lying around, feel free to check the link in the description, which will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. To get this thing open, look over on the right side. You can see that opening in the seam there. Just take your flathead, insert it in, and twist. And now you can gently pull this apart. Take care as these buttons do come out, so you want to just carefully set that to the side. Now we can see the circuit board. We're going to pry this out with the flathead. So looking at what is the bottom of the garage door opener, you want to insert the flathead in there and just gently lift it out. Now to get the battery out, we'll once again use the flathead. Just come in and push it all the way out carefully to not damage the components there. And now you can discard your old battery, take your new battery, which should be a 2032. Make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and just simply push that into place. Now we can put this back together. You want the circuit board facing up when you set it in here, and you can see there's this notch on the bottom. You'll want to line that up with that piece of plastic that you see right there. Just put that into place and it should fall down flat inside. And now we can just clip these two back together. Just give it a squeeze. And just like that, you are good to go. You shouldn't need to reprogram this. It should continue working with your garage door. So don't worry about that. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and have a great day.